Hey everyone, and welcome back to the United Star. I'm Atanu, and today I'll be reviewing the England versus Ukraine game. England have just beaten Ukraine 4-0 at Rome. What a fantastic game for our Man United players. Luke Shaw, Harry Maguire, Jadon Sancho, and Marcus Rashford as well. I mean, I'm in awe of Luke Shaw. If anybody tells me that he isn't the best left back in the world, they probably don't watch football. He has been the best left back in the Premier League and in the world this season. What a fantastic game for Luke Shaw. And there's this thing that is very poetic. Yesterday, Jose Mourinho was unveiled as the new AS Roma manager. And today, Luke Shaw put in a man of the match performance in Rome at AS Roma's home stadium. And well, I mean, that was kind of a shut up call to Jose Mourinho of his criticism of Luke Shaw. I think both Mourinho and Shaw need to move on from what happened when Mourinho was our manager. But I don't know, the the statements in the press from Mourinho state that he likes to talk about Shaw and get in the limelight. But enough of Mourinho. Luke Shaw has 3 assists in the European Championship this season. Only David Beckham has more assists for England, and that's a fantastic record. Manchester United, two Manchester United players, Luke Shaw, on the verge of creating history. Maybe he'll win the Euro 2020 for England. Who knows? Harry Maguire, these two guys, what a fantastic game. I'm in awe of that Luke Shaw cross to Harry Maguire, and what a header. And this is something that people need to realize that Harry Maguire is a very underappreciated defender and a player. And I think this season, when Manchester United fans started, criticizing their captain and wanted him to be stripped of the captaincy, was very sad for me because I'm a big Harry Maguire fan and I've always backed him. And I'll keep on backing my players. Harry Maguire, what a game for him. Moving on to Harry Kane, amazing performance. I think the man of the match performances from Luke Shaw and Harry Kane were the reasons that Gareth Southgate's men were, thrashed Ukraine 4-0 in the quarterfinals, and now they'll face Denmark in the semifinals, and that will be a very good game. So coming on to Gareth Southgate, I think he gets a lot of criticism, but today he showed that he can do very well with this England squad. He fielded a perfect 11. I think Jack Grealish could have come in for Mason Mount, but other than that, a fantastic game for him, and he managed it pretty well. Took out the players like Declan Rice, Raheem Sterling, who are their key players. Raheem Sterling, what a pass! I mean, I'm a big critic of Raheem Sterling, and he comes up with these goals and these assists, and that is some sort of a shut up call to me that I need to calm down and not criticize Raheem Sterling. But at the same time, I think if I don't criticize Raheem Sterling, then he won't perform well. So yeah, I'm thinking of that. So, and there's this joke that is coming that England played Germany in London, uh, and Luke Shaw had a fantastic game. He created the chance for Harry Kane, I think, and also a cross to Raheem Sterling in that game when England defeated Germany. So people are saying that Mourinho fled London to get rid of Luke Shaw against Germany, and then he came to Rome, and Luke Shaw followed him and played another great match. So that's a great joke that is going on social media right now. A big shout out to these guys. What a performance for Harry Maguire and Luke Shaw. And I think in terms of defense, in the first half, from the right side, Kyle Walker and John Stones were a bit shaky, but Ukraine didn't put so much threat on England's that they would concede. And this is a very, very, very good record or something that England haven't conceded a goal till now, and I hope this continues till the final when England finally win the Euro 2020, and people will go crazy in England. And of course, I'm also a big England fan. Same with Prussian, and let's hope football comes home. So, is football coming home? Do do let us know in the comments below. We are the United Star. Check us out on our Twitter and Instagram handles. Subscribe to our channel. We are nice people, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.